What happens when you combine the world's most effective and ergonomic fume gun with the most powerful portable dust collector on the market today? With RoboVent Extractor and ProCube, weld fume extraction just got a whole lot more flexible. The RoboVent Extractor is a streamlined, lightweight fume gun that collects up to 90% of weld fume right at the source. And that compares to about 50% for competing models. For high production manual welding, the Extractor is the ideal fume gun. The RoboVent ProCube packed powerful dust collection into a small portable unit that fits where you need it. Together, they are the perfect source capture solution when you need high flexibility, efficiency, and space savings. ProCube has the power you need to remove dangerous weld fumes from the air. Just look at how much is collected in just 30 seconds of welding. With the Extractor, those fumes are removed before they get to the welder's breathing zone. Contact your RoboVent Solutions engineer to see how the Extractor gun and the ProCube can best fit into your operation.